connected.
What's up YouTube, it's dafobra back with another tech install. I'm a big fan of LED headlights, especially on my motorcycles. So when it was time to update the lighting on Windy Dave's 2013 Triumph Daytona 675, we turned to Auxbeam and picked up their LED headlight bulbs. Removing the stock halogen bulb is a fairly easy task. One 4mm Allen head bolt and a clip retain the air intake covers. And then you can simply unscrew the weather-tight bulb covers. The bulb itself is retained by a metal clip that simply pushes in and pops out. Unplug the factory harness connector and remove the bulb. Here is the stock H7 halogen light bulb. It is a single filament bulb and for the most part does its job well. It produces around 1500 lumens while using 55 watts of power. This is the Auxbeam F16 series LED headlight bulb. It produces 3000 lumens while only using about 30 watts of power. So let's get back to the bike and start the install. LED bulbs use a constant current driver that also has a factory style H7 plug. Plug that in and route the driver inside of the headlight assembly. Don't worry about it, it doesn't get hot. Now we can move on to the bulb itself. On it there is a plastic collar called a base adapter, which unscrews and takes the place of the stock bulb, allowing you to reuse the factory retaining clip. Once the clip is back in place, you can insert the LED bulb into that collar and turn to lock it. On the back of the LED bulb, there is a fan to keep everything nice and cool, but there is still plenty of room to reinstall that weatherproof cap. So let's turn on the lights and see how it looks. As you can see, the color temperature of the LED bulb looks amazing compared to the old halogen. It has a really nice, almost pure white 6000 Kelvin color and throws a ton of light. Now let's move on to the other side. Let's take a look at the stock halogens. Versus the Auxbeam LEDs. There you have it, all done and looking great. The bike now throws a much better and brighter light, which is great for both seeing and being seen. The color temperature also works well with the white of Windy's Daytona, but the function of having brighter headlights that run cooler, draw less power, and have a longer lifespan, well, that can't be beat. If you want to buy your own Auxbeam headlights, I have left a link in the description, and I'd love to hear what you think about the lights, so make sure you make your opinion heard in the comment section down below. Also, make sure you hit that subscribe button to see more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you.